Need to share updates, photos, or videos with all your WhatsApp contacts at once? It's super easy. In this video, I'll walk you through how to post a WhatsApp status in just a few simple steps. Let's dive in. So open WhatsApp on your Android phone. By default, you should be on the Chats menu. So tap on Updates on the bottom to go to the Updates menu. Then tap on Add Status. Now you can add a status from your recent files, or you can tap on Camera and take a photo or video right away for your status. But if you want to share something from your files, tap the cross icon in the top left, and then tap on the Files icon in the bottom right corner. This will give you more options, and you can share a status directly from your phone's files. Just choose one or multiple photos and videos. After you're done, tap on Add in the bottom. Now you can edit your video or photo. There are quite a few edit options at the top of your screen, like the pencil icon for normal edits, the T icon for text edits, the emoji icon for emoji edits, and so on. Just edit your story however you like, and after that, tap the check mark at the bottom right corner, and your status will be shared right there. And that's all. Now you can post a WhatsApp status in just a few seconds. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more simple tech tips. Catch you in the next one.